Okay, here is the bread, the Fannie Farmer bread in real time. It's been 2 hours and it's been sitting out for about 20 minutes. So this is the nourishing bread.
Looks good.
Yeah, with some walnuts. If you see part 1, you'll see the video. It's got molasses, it's got walnuts, it's got freshly milled flour. And so we're going to go ahead and try it out. Now, it's been baking for 2 hours, and then we let it rest for 20 minutes. And I smell a lot of molasses. So if you don't like molasses, you won't like this bread. But it looks really good. It's a hearty, nourishing bread. And yeah. Go ahead and get a knife. And yeah. So I think I'm gonna try it by itself. I'll try a little piece here, and then I'll try some with butter, just to. Oh yeah, you definitely have that molasses. You like that, babe? It's a little too much molasses for me. I mean, you immediately, if you don't like molasses,
Almost like a coffee honey.
yeah, I think I would prefer it with honey, because you can add honey instead of molasses. Kenia, what do you think, Mama? You want to try some molasses bread? Huh? Hi, Mama. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, ojitos. So, yeah, here, let me go ahead and taste it. Really good.
Huh?
With butter.
Good. I like it.
Yeah. Got the fire going. Tasting some. What are you doing, Mommy? What are you doing, Olive? I got all my recipe books here and sitting by the fire, and so we got the recipe from the Fannie Farmer cookbook.
Yeah.
It's so fun to go looking around the secondhand stores and finding cookbooks. Hi, Ewok. Hi, buddy. What you doing, buddy? Hi, bud. What you doing? You want to try some Fannie Farmer bread? Okay, buddy. So, yeah, that's good. I like it with butter. It's definitely got a very bold molasses flavor, which is really good for somebody that's sick and needs some nourishment, because molasses is it just an added health aid for what is it? What did I tell you before? It's for the body. We should take a tablespoon of it. It's a health aid for the body. So, and actually you can, in the book I was reading, and you can freeze 1 loaf and then you just put it in the oven. So, to reheat it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna probably freeze a loaf. You can slice a loaf, freeze it. You can take it out and toast it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have this piece with butter. So I hope that you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did, and stay tuned for the next recipe.